Manmeet.
Hi, madam.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm also doing fine, and thank you so much for doing this.
Always welcome.
I hope your time in office was actually good and you had fun.
Yeah, it was really good. I really had fun, learned a lot of things. Meeting everybody was, from offline coming to online. Meeting everybody was, the warmth and the love which I got from everybody is something, an additional factor to what all I have learned in being in the office. Yes.
To start with this interview, I would like to know a little bit about
Okay.
yourself and your background.
Okay. So, as you know, I'm Manmeet. So, I just joined Gigin in May, but before that, I have experience in academics.
Okay.
So, I have done my, studying mainly in the northern region. So, I have studied in Chandigarh, in Delhi. And I was, initially only, initial stages of my life only, I was, very keen towards studying and all. So, earlier, I was trying for civils. So that's why, that is the time I got connected with the academics part and I found interest, in academics, studying and all. So I did my UGC since, civils, I tried, made it to the last stage of interview, but somehow, then if I couldn't make out, so I just joined the teaching line. So I became a college professor. I am a graduate in economic honors and postgraduate in master in business economics from Punjab University, and I was a rank holder. So that aura, everybody thought that no, you're too studious, but no, I'm a very fun-loving person. Alongside my interest in studies and all. So I have worked in that industry for for 5-6 years, and then I have just joined a international institute, so which was the Pathway program, and there I have even worked as a counselor and I was even mentoring students that time. So that was the time I realized that I should just explore other fields as well, and that was the time I guess I took a initial decision that okay, so let me just go to the corporate world, gain the experience there, and just become a more versatile personality than what I am at that stage. Yes.
So, see, how I see is, so you worked with students, you have counseled them,
Yes.
and now you're working with businesses who are hiring these students.
Yes.
So, do you see that bridge or any sort of,
Yes.
yeah?
So earlier, when I was a student, I was, counseling them and I was even looking after their placements and all. So, I was coordinating with the companies to make sure that they get, good placements and all. So there, the things were very different. And here it is like, it was just like, a few years back, I was on the other side.
Yes.
Now I'm on the other side of the sea. So, there is the water inside. So I'm just like, not here, now, not here. But yes, so I feel the difference is, of course, the industry which I am just working with. There it was the students. So what mindset they have, I understand. What a candidate who is looking out for a job, how nervous is this, and when they get good opportunities or they get a job, how happy they are. So when I'm here and when we are having clients, those who are looking out for candidates, so I could feel that okay, so once the things will be different. I know they will hire students, so it's not like they are also getting a good candidate. But yes, on the other side, they are even helping the fresh graduates, fresh postgraduates to just enter a world where they can grow and learn and give them better opportunities. So I guess these are two different sides, but I'm enjoying both of it.
There are two different, industries. One is like students, and then there is the businesses that hiring the students, right? So, what is that one change that you have seen? Earlier, I think when you were a counselor, you must be thinking, okay, this is what the companies are, and what is the reality that you have seen in hiring industry, basically?
See, once when I am sitting in a college, or I'm sitting in a university, I'm getting the student side. So we don't know what is happening, at the other end. So we just, they take the interviews. We don't know, what criterias they hire, why they are rejecting, why they are accepting. Since, in universities at times they come for campus recruitments and they have to, just interview 500, 600 students in the, time frame of 2 days. So at times students used to come, ask, okay, what was the reason we were not selected? This is, a mindset when you are a fresher, that why the person that girl or that boy was selected, why not us?
Yeah.
But now when I'm in this industry, now I understand. So what are the criterias or what are the parameters which the recruiter or the companies they are looking out in for the candidates? It's not about getting good marks. It's not about you are too excellent in your academics. It's about your overall personality.
Yes.
So what personality do you carry? So that plays a very important role in your getting hired.
Yes. We would like to know about your role in Gigin, what
Okay.
you work as, and how that has been for you since
Okay.
May.
So Gigin, actually presently I'm a strategic business analyst here. So I joined in a different team. I was joined here to just coordinate with the universities and all, and then my role changed to the hiring, and then I am now a strategic business analyst. So in a period of past 8-9 months, I have seen a journey where I have worked on 3 different profiles. So that is what the best part of startup is.
Yes.
So you are not restricted yourself to the only role you have been hired.
Yeah.
So every department, every role from where you can learn something new, you can be a part of it.
Yes.
So if tomorrow I say, okay, I need to be a part of your team or I need to be a part of some other team, I can just go grab that opportunity, learn it, and grow in that field as well.
Yeah.
So yes, when I'm here, so here presently I'm looking after the corporate clients, the business houses, that how they can just we can cater our services to them, and how in return if we are giving services to them, then how it's not about giving the services, it's always maintaining that trust which they have in us, and even the relationship with them, so that we can have a long term business with them. It's not like only for the time being we are with them. So I always look out when I am reaching out to the corporate houses, that we build a strong relationship which could even help us in the future. See, if we talk of Gigin, and if we are on a mission to make billion lives better, so I guess definitely we are working on it. Since once a student who enters a university or a college, his main dream is that once I'm out of this building after completing my degree course or whatever certificate they're doing, I should have a job in my hand. So this is with one dream everybody is just going, and so I guess we are actually fulfilling it. So we are creating jobs, we are creating more jobs with the help of AI. So definitely I know the happiness which the candidate feels. They feel that okay, so our purpose mission is fulfilled. So I guess Gigin is playing a very important role in it, because we are creating more jobs, we are creating opportunities for the students, we are directly linking them with the corporate houses, we are helping them in bulk recruitment. So I guess that is one thing which allures me a lot about Gigin, that actually, because I could understand the students who were not able to get good hirings, they always feel so, they're so sad and that. So I guess this is a platform even where you have ample opportunities in front of you, and we have given you options to choose from the various fields. If okay, this is not working out for you, we have another option with you. And use of AI has actually helped Gigin to fulfill that mission on a greater perspective. So yes.
We mostly cater for this something we call as multi-collar workforce.
Yes.
So do you want to talk about a little bit on that part?
Yes. Since see, multi-collared, when it comes to sourcing or hiring, so people mainly prefer okay, white collar. You talk of agencies, they say okay, any hiring business, they say okay, so we have IT sector jobs, we have non-IT sector jobs. So this is one. But thinking of the grey collared, of the blue collar jobs, so that is something which we I guess make Gigin's stand different from others. So we are actually focused on them. Even when we talk of the hiring or we talk of the verification, so people don't want to do the verifications of grey or blue collar, because they say the data collection becomes a difficulty, or there are certain other difficulties which they are facing. But we stand okay, so this is what makes Gigin different, that we are not only focusing ourselves on the white collar, we are thinking of every person, because that is what our motto is, to make billion lives better. So when we are talking of billion lives, we cannot restrict ourselves to one industry. And why should only this AI, if it's a use of AI, and we have that power, then let us change the life of everybody who is
Yes.
connected with alien.
Yeah.
So whether it is blue collared, green collared, or white collared. So
Your role mostly involves so in a better words, or like not better but maybe in a simpler words, it is more into sales part of corporate sales, or we say that B2B sales.
yes,
right?
yes.
So what are the challenges that you face?
See, challenges I face is basically, when initially we are just connecting with them. So there is always a doubt in the mind.
Yeah.
So even, when I was in the education industry, that is one factor which creates a fear in your mind. That is a doubt.
Yes.
So since, I have studied psychology also, I was a psychology graduate. That was my main, elective. So I understand, when I'm talking to a person, what exactly they want. So what, okay, so is it only about hiring? Is it about relationship building? Is it only like just for the time being they want to be with us? Or, they want to be associated with us for future also. So accordingly, when I'm approaching a client, or they are approaching to me, vice versa. So first I understand what is their requirement. So, okay, so this is what I always say, okay, you let us know what you expect out of us. Because if they have built that trust on us, then lifelong we know we are going to be associated with them. And of course, the same way, they refer us, and this is how the industry is going to grow. So I guess, when, if my mantra, if you say to be with them, I always think that more than, taking the business, we should build that strong relationship with them, which will definitely help us grow in future.
So basically you believe in building relationships.
Yes. Because this is, we are into service industry. So service industry, I guess this was a very important factor of it. So, even if in future we have certain escalations, or, there could be, since, it is technology, so there could be some issues which we are facing. And if we know they trust us, that loyalty factor is already there, then they also understand you. So this is both ways. So that is on us, how good relationship we have made with them. Yes.
So, Manmit, you have worked with students. Again,
Yes.
I'm going back to the same part.
Okay.
But I just want to know, so what kind of advice that would you want to give to today's generation, or someone who is a fresher, or like have done like 1 or 2 years of work. That's it. Then what is the one advice that you would give?
I'll just give one advice, that don't restrict yourself to one particular field. Learn, explore, you will get new things. And at one stage you will be like, oh, this was worth trying. So this is, even I felt, I was restricted to one industry. Now I'm seeing the challenges daily. So this is one advice I always want to give freshers. Okay, you have done anything specific for your hirings, but in future please explore the opportunities and don't restrict yourself. Just be open to any learning which comes to your life, and one day you will start enjoying the learning, and once you do it, then you enjoy everything, things around you. So it grows you as a person.
Gigin is there to give you the jobs, so you just have to get onto the platform, is what I would say. And AI is not here to take our jobs. It's actually helping us to learn and to grow even more in our industry.
AI, I guess, has actually created more jobs. Earlier, it was such difficult work for the recruiters, just, if in daily, how many, as a human, if we are humans, to what, level we can just, see the data, or to what level we can do the screening. So we were limited to what, 30, 40, 50 CVs in a day. But now AI has made our work so easy. Even, it's not from the point of view, I'm saying from the job givers, but even from the job seekers. Earlier, we were not even knowing that, okay, so there are so many filters, there's so many industries which I have. Okay, if I have done this degree, I'm not only, restricted to one field. Okay, so there is my role in the different industries as well. Earlier, if somebody is doing law, so they were only restricted to the courts, but now they know that, we can do various, corporate law, we can be a legal advisors, we can, land up in various startups, in various, corporate houses. So this is, this is all possible because of the use of AI. So, it's not only made the life of job givers easy, but even job seekers, they, doors are open to so many opportunities that, they can explore, learn, and get the dream job. So I guess that's how the AI is actually, changing the world around.
Now let's move on to some fun questions basically. So one question I would ask is, if you have to describe yourself in 3 words,
Okay.
like your personality, not as a business
Okay.
analyst, but
Okay.
as a person.
As a person.
Yeah, 3
Okay.
words.
So first I'll go with fun loving. I'm a very fun loving person. I'm happy. I like people around me to be happy. So that is one thing.
Yeah.
Second, I think so I'm very adaptable person. I'm not like, okay, so this place is new, I cannot adjust it. So I'm quite adaptable.
Yeah.
So I see people around me. I see, okay, what they expect out of me, and accordingly I connect with them. And thirdly, I'd say I'm a very, responsible. Yeah, I'm one of a very responsible person of my family. I've seen of my friend circle also.
Yeah.
So yes, they know, okay, she's there, she's responsible enough, she'll handle it. So yes, so I guess 3 basic words, which describe me.
When you're not working, what do you do the most?
If I'm not working, you will see me wandering in the streets and trying some new food. So this is what I do if I'm not working. So I love exploring new places also. It's not about new things to learn, but I even like exploring new places and just try their cuisines, see, what is best, and then.
So thank you so much, Manvit. I not just this interview part, but I enjoyed in the last 1 week also with you.
Yes. So even I was excited to meet everybody because I was too connected with few people in the offices whom I was dealing, daily with Surinder, Mahesh, Naga, Shaheen, Shilpa, Samar.
Yeah.
So Riya. So there were few people I was, connected with them, so much. So even Prashant, Santosh, So, meeting everybody in personal, I guess, I'm carrying away some beautiful memories of the office, and I make sure that I'll be here soon too.
Yeah.
Again too.
Hope to see you soon again in Bangalore.
Definitely.
And it was nice meeting you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
Thank you so much.